Subscribe to Grazia and press on the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Hena Desai, Grazia India's beauty editor, and today I'm here to talk to you about something all of us are always chasing, that lit from within glow. When it comes to skincare, you can stay hydrated, sleep well, but I'm not going to lie, all of us need some extra help from time to time. For me, it's been coming in the form of Cetaphil's new Bright Healthy Radiance Range. Let me take you through some of my favorites and tell you what they've been doing for me. This dermat-approved brand has been a skincare staple of mine for years, and I'm happy to report that this new range stands true of its promise of giving you skin with no dark spots, reduced pigmentation, and even skin tone. There are 5 products on offer, each one designed to give you the skin of your dreams. The Bright Healthy Radiance range comes as a full set of 5 products and is made with natural ingredients like white sea daffodil extract and niacinamide, which are great for brightening. Start your regime with the Bright Radiance Reveal Creamy Cleanser, which is so gentle it won't strip your skin dry. If you don't use a toner usually, now's the time to start because this one will actually give you luminance and make your skin soft and supple in as less as 4 weeks. Next comes the Brightening Day Cream, which evens out skin tone, reduces pigmentation, and also offers sun protection in the form of SPF 15. At night, follow the same cleansing and toning routine and follow it up with the Comfort Night Cream. This one also contains hyaluronic acid, so what it does is it's going to repair your skin and help you wake up to a refreshed, bright glow. The brightening lotion is also worth trying. Its hyaluronic-rich formula is going to offer all-day hydration while also protecting your skin barrier. Like all their other products, Cetaphil's Bright Healthy Radiance range is fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, dermat-tested, and perfectly suited for sensitive skin types. Try it out and let us know how you like it.